Now, what is keyword research? Keyword research is just the process of finding words, phrases, what we call keywords, search terms really, that people are using in the search engines like Google, like Bing, like Yahoo, like YouTube. So what are people typing in? What kind of search phrases are they typing in? So as an example, if somebody is searching for a plumber in Chicago, they may put up plumber near me or plumber in Chicago, and that is a keyword. Okay. If someone's typing in cheap plumber in Chicago, that is a different keyword. When someone's typing in, how do I find the best local plumber near me? That's another keyword. And so there are various names or categories of keywords. Just technical names, you don't have to know everything. Just understand there is a primary keyword. That's what we call the money keyword that we are going after. Chances are high there's a decent search volume for this. There's most people search for this keyword. So I'll give you examples. And Google's cost per click when it comes to Google Ads, it probably has a higher cost per click for the primary keyword. Then there's secondary keywords, which are kind of related services, related keywords. LSI keywords, I'll go into what that is. Just LSI stands for Latent Semantics Index. Just another technical term. Don't get afraid because of that. Then long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are more longer search phrases, if you will, right? And I've been in this game for 7 years now, and I can tell you, 90, if not 95% of the SEO companies, SEO guys, freelancers, gals, whoever out there who do SEO, who are ranking websites, they just go after the primary keyword, and they leave a ton of money on the table. Okay, so let's go in depth one by one. Now, types of keywords. Primary keyword is our main money keyword. So as an example, and we'll jump into the google.com, and I'm going to show you all these different keywords as an example, but just going over this, as an example, concrete contractor Chicago is a primary keyword. So we have the service, concrete contractor, and then the location, Chicago. That's what we call a money keyword, a high intent keyword. Chances are high if somebody is searching for concrete contractor Chicago, they're looking to hire a concrete contractor in Chicago. So that's what we call a primary keyword. A lot of people in the concrete niche, they would be going after this concrete contractor city keyword, city being Chicago, Vegas, or London, or Sydney, Australia, doesn't matter which place, wherever you are, and they're looking to rank for this. Now, when we rank for a primary keyword, yes, the calls do come in, but also understand that's really about 30% of the search traffic, because there are people searching for secondary keywords, LSI keywords, long tail keywords, all kinds of other related keywords really. So as an example, if concrete contractor Chicago is our primary keyword, a secondary keyword would be something like paving contractor. So secondary is just a secondary service that this contractor was probably providing. So if concrete is the main service, paving is a secondary keyword, all right? Maybe driveway repair is another secondary keyword. So another service basically. Again, these terms are used interchangeably. So an LSI keyword can easily be a secondary keyword. A long tail keyword can easily be an LSI keyword. So don't go too deep into this, just so you're aware, all right? LSI keywords are just semantically related terms, which basically means topically related, which basically means similar in industry wise, okay, similar in meaning. So as an example, if primary keyword is concrete contractor Chicago, LSI keyword would be concrete installers near me, in Chicago or near me, right? If divorce lawyer is your primary keyword, maybe family lawyer is an LSI keyword, all right? So something related kind of a thing. And then long tail keywords are just longer term phrases that people are typing in. So here as an example, it will be if somebody is searching for a cheap concrete company or licensed company or local 24/7 emergency, so kind of a longer keywords, what I'm saying. So that's what long tail keywords is. So when we do our keyword research, and we're going to jump into a live example, when we go and once we know our primary keyword, we also go and scoop up all of these keywords and more, and we put those keywords, we position them properly, optimize them properly in our website is going to start ranking for multiple keywords. I have local websites which are ranking for hundreds of keywords. Some of them, a couple of them, actually for thousands of keywords. All right. Now, not all of them have a lot of traffic, but even if I just get one phone call because of a long tail keyword for a concrete company, that call could be a job worth $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, right? So everything is money end of the day. So that's that.